cartoon craft. Okay, let her choose which cartoon craft she want to do. 3. Okay, Thamarai, which animal you want to do craft? Elephant or tiger? You want elephant? How elephant make noise? Baby, how elephant make noise? Like this. How elephant do the trunk? How? Okay, Akka will show. Akka go inside. Oh, like that. Okay, let's redo.
It's an elephant.
Okay, let's redo. Hi, Thamarai. Say hi here. Look at Mama. Okay, now we are preparing for the elephant craft. Body and relief. What is that? Butterfly. What is that? Butterfly. What color butterfly? What color? Not two. What color? Blue. Green.
Now we're going to stick the elephant. Wow. Okay. Sorry. Wait, let me stick, please. Stick, please. Okay, stick. Okay. We go to the next one. Flower. Now you're going to stick the hair. Okay, come and fix. Stick. Stick here. Here. Like that. No. Fix. Okay.
Alright.
Blue ears.
No, it's wrong, Amma. It's not there. Here. Look at this elephant. Where's the ear? You must put this way with Amma tissue. Alright, okay. Correct. Correct. Clever girl. Now she want to fix the eyes. Yay! Correct. Clap. Okay, next.
Okay.
Get it. Baby, eyes. Inside the eyes. Inside here, baby. Inside here. Inside here. Ah, yay! Baby, is that correct? Wrong. Must put on the flower. Here. Okay, correct.
A few moments later.
Okay, now fix the trunk, Amma.
On that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here.
Boing, 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 boing,
Quack,
boing.
here, quack, everywhere, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a
Yay!
farm.
See the trunk.
E-I-O.
See? Somebody move the trunk. Move the trunk like this.
E-I-E-I-O.
Hey, see? Elephant trunk is
On
moving.
that farm he had a duck.
Ah.
E-I-E-I-O. With a whoop,
Yeah, where's baby? Where's the elephant trunk?
here a woof, there a
How?
woof, everywhere a
Oh,
woof.
elephant trunk. Where's elephant ears? Show Amma where's elephant ears.
Old
Where?
MacDonald